guys, I'm playing in
Junior, and today we are showing stuff that our Aunt Jasmin got us in from Oregon. If you don't know who Jasmine is, she you could look at my other videos and see her. Okay, so yeah, these are all the stuff that she sent us. Okay, she got me a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
I got visitor.
LOL. I got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stackable.
Nom noms.
Spider-Man collectible. Your turn.
This
Shockets. Despicable Minions.
Zuzu.
Teen Titans Go. Let me see. It is called Pint-Size Heroes.
Pint-Size Heroes.
And she also gave me these two Minecraft mystery surprises. And she got her My Little Pony
Mashups.
Two Zooms.
Two shoes.
And My Mini Mix. I don't know what these are. So yeah, and yeah. Okay, so you'll go first, Penelope.
I got visitor.
So open it.
My head's caught two. It's caught two.
Let me see. She loves cars and she loves music. And it's a cartoon. Okay, I don't know what that means.
It's caught two. The baby caught you a baby.
Let me see. Ooh, she got this. Save her a reveal, a surprise changes. Oh, she changes color?
Yeah. Change the colors.
I don't get the concept of this. Let's see who you got. She got her. I don't know who she is. She got this. I forgot what these are called again. But you use them on the pool. You got this backpack. I assume you put her in there.
Baby inside. So cute. See you with the eyes here. See him there. So cute.
She got little neon cutie. Cute. And she's popular. Here's she is again.
I can't.
And I don't know if you see him. That's her! You saw him pop his head. And she got a keychain. I will open this Pint-Size Heroes Marvel Spider-Man. I wonder who I'll get. I hope it's someone I like and know. I got Peter Parker when he's in his human form.
Yumma.
I like. Let me smell it. Oh, that. She got Coco Malo.
Coco Malo.
And I don't know what this is under it. Makeup, I think. Come on. Yeah. I will open the Teen Titans minifigure. I hope I get Beast Boy when he's in the gorilla form. Let's see. I got Raven as a Raph Metrion Synthos. Here's Raven.
Raven. So purple.
Azura, Metron, Centos! Susum's keychains. Here it is. And here's what you could collect. Azura, Metron, Centos.
I can't done a duck, Suzu.
Yeah, so you can put it on your backpack, Mamas.
Yeah, I put a backpack.
My turn. I will open though. I will open the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles stackables. Tell Mommy to help you.
Mommy?
Yeah, I got Mikey. There's Mikey. These are pinch size heroes.
These
Disney.
are heroes. No.
So she got a Minnie Mouse. Show them.
Mima's sugar.
I will do Despicable Me Minion surprise. So these are the back what you could get. I got Little Piggy Scoot. Look at him. So yeah, your turn.
Okay.
So we're gonna open this My Mini Mix quiz. So Penelope got these ones. Here, Penelope, you got these people. Okay, so it's gonna be my turn, and I am gonna open Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles surprise minifigures. And I got Leonardo from the movie Out of the Shadows. I didn't got those original ones, and he looks
Oh, he's passed around.
look.
Oh, pass around.
Hello, I am Nina.
I'll
be right back.
Shock is so best.
And they put this into another box. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you it, but it's a Shopkins, so man, looks like that she got a lot. My juggling skills. Pro skills. Yeah, I did it, guys. Oh, you want me to do the stream? Okay. 3. Let me see.
I want it.
I don't know. It looks like a shopping bag, and it is. No, it doesn't smell. Why did I thought it would smell? So yeah, and you have more. I'll do it. Okay, so she got a puppy puller, and it's called Bag of Donuts. Okay, it's Bag of Donuts. I guess that it's the name. It's not a creative name, but still. Okay, and she also got this one. And I think it's another puppy puller. Let me see. It is called Tangs. Tangs. So, Tangs, can you help us with getting some donuts? Yeah, sure. Tangs. Tangs. Donut.
Yeah, don't.
So yeah, so it's my turn, but I'm gonna open 2 because these are the same ones and it's the same thing. So I'm gonna open these minifigure Minecraft, and these are both from Series 1. Okay, let's see who we. Okay, so I got the gas. Okay,
Yeah.
attacking gas. So and I'm gonna open my other one. I just got Alex, and she has a golden pickaxe. So she got.
Oh, squishy, squishy. Ooh.
Does it smell? Smell it. She got this. What? I don't know. I don't watch that kind of stuff. So yeah. Okay, guys. So we're gonna give a big thanks to Jasmine because she's the one who sent us all of this. Thank you, Jasmine. And also leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.